This is Noria, the first window air conditioner designed with you in mind. Noria is 40% smaller than standard air conditioners and less than 6 inches tall. Unlike typical window air conditioners, Noria lets you keep your view. Noria is smart. Using Android or iOS, users can control Noria remotely or set a schedule to save power when no one is home. Noria can bring fresh air into your home on those cool September nights. Not even central air can do that. You don't have to be a bodybuilder to install Noria. The lightweight frame is installed first, making secure installation a breeze. Other window air conditioners force you to hold a heavy, awkward object in place for minutes at a time. With Noria, installation is a one-person job. Storage is easy, allowing you to keep it under the bed when not needed. Noria, renew your view. We are an established product development team in Philadelphia with experience in bringing product designs from concept to production. Our team members have decades of experience in engineering highly technical products with expertise in thermal engineering and aerodynamics, electrical engineering, and industrial design. For the past 2 years, we've been developing Noria from the ground up. Along the way, we've developed numerous prototypes as we perfected the technology. We're ready to make the next step and bring it into production. Now we need your help to bring it to your home.